So by 4:34, it will create a new entry for AAPL. Okay, now it's 4:34, and as you can see, it's actually create a new entry. Alright, I hope that. Okay, first you click on new and then click on the Google Sheet and then rename it. Okay, and then you go to the extension and then you click on App Script. Okay, you can rename the project. Okay, you can delete this function and replace it with something that is more describable. So in this example, I will use fetch stop price because in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can actually fetch stop price using Google API. Okay, so the first thing is we need to ensure that we select the sheet properly. We use a spreadsheet app and then get active spreadsheet and also get active sheet. Okay, and then after that we can um, we can create a variable for our ticker. So in this example, I'm using Apple. So the ticker is AAPL. Okay, after that, you need to select a cell to put in um, a temporary variable. Okay, and then from there also we can use formula from Google Finance. Okay, so basically what it does is actually it call a price for AAPL, and then after that we can try to flush the formula. Okay. After that, what you can do is you can get the value from we can get the price from the temporary cell, and then after that you also can clear the cell to remove the temporary price. Okay, and then after that this one is just for our testing where we want to later we can refer to this timestamp to actually see what time that it has been fetched or we have scheduled. Okay, and then after that we just append the value. So the value is the timestamp and then the ticker, which is APL, and also the price at that time when we actually call the function. Okay, so after that what we can do is we can save it. And then, okay, currently, as you see, there is nothing here. So when we click on run, okay, sorry, we have to give a permission and then select the account that you want to use and then click on advanced and go to schedule and then you click on continue. So at this time, you are basically give a permission for this app script to actually change something in your Google Sheet. Okay, and then let's try to run again. Okay, now you can see that we already click on the function 2 times and then it will create a entry for that. Okay, so as you can see currently, we don't want to click on the run function every time. So what you can do is you can schedule this function. So you go to this section on the left side and then you click on trigger. And then usually what I will do is I just click save after you click on the trigger. Okay, from here you can edit when you want this trigger when this function you want to trigger. So which function? Just now we created a fetch stop price, and then this one you just leave it, and then go here. You can select on time driven. Okay, from here you can select either you want it to run every minute, hour, day, week, or a month. So in this example, I will just use minute so we can see every minute that is updated lah. So when you select on minutes timer, so from here you can see there are a few options like every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes. Okay, so in this example, I will just click on every minute. and then click save. Okay, so we just wait for a while. Now currently we have 2 entries, so the time is 4:33. So by 4:34 it will create a new entry for AAPL. Okay, now it's 4:34 and as you can see, it's actually create a new entry. Alright, I hope that you learned something and let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you so much.